Hey, my name is Yuri, I'm a solo game developer, and this is Brew Tycoon. So Brew Tycoon is a brew pub management game. So you start small, you buy some equipment, brew your first batch of beer, and start selling. As demand grows, your brewery has to grow with it. So you need more equipment, a bigger bar, better decorations, and yeah, that's the core loop basically. The game is currently at a very early stage. I'm still setting up the systems and finding the fun. The core loop is there. You can brew a beer, you can sell it, you can even upgrade some of your equipment, but there's a ton left to add. Visually, it's still very much a prototype. The UI is purely for testing purposes. All the art is placeholder, but I do have a clear vision of what I want this to look like and what I want it to be in the end. So I need to do a full overhaul of the UI. I need to replace all the placeholder art. Um, on the feature side, I still want to add a lot of things like brewing assignments. Imagine like a local football club ordering 500 liters of a specific beer type every month. Things like that. Maybe happy hour. I'm very much open to ideas on this as well. So if you have a cool idea, leave it in the comments. Yeah, once the game is in a decent visual state, I'm planning to put together a playable demo and start on the Steam page. Because I am planning to release this on Steam. I don't have a date yet, but that's the goal eventually. So if you like beer and management games, just subscribe to my channel and see where this is going. I'm planning to release a devlog every month, so stay tuned for the next one. Cheers!